In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Drive. Whether you're at home, at work, or simply borrowing a friend's computer, knowing how to securely log out of your account is crucial to keeping your personal information safe. We'll go through the process step by step, and I'll include some handy tips for managing multiple accounts as well. First, open your browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is your starting point and the gateway to accessing all your saved files and important documents in Google Drive. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to look up to the top right corner of the page. This is where you will find your profile photo or Google account icon. It's usually a small circle that contains your picture or the first letter of your name if you haven't uploaded a photo. Now, what you need to do next is click on that profile photo. This action is going to reveal a menu with several options regarding your Google account. Among these choices, you'll want to look for the option that says Sign Out. Go ahead and click on this option. By doing so, you'll be signed out not only from Google Drive, but from all Google services on that browser. This is an important step to ensure your account remains secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. But what if you're not done using Google services on this device? Or perhaps you want to switch between accounts? No problem. There's a convenient way to handle that too. Instead of signing out, you can click on Add another account or Manage accounts on this device. This can be incredibly useful if you have multiple Google accounts for different purposes like work and personal use. By using these options, you can easily switch between accounts without having to sign out completely. It's a seamless way to manage your profiles and keep your workflow smooth. So there you have it, a straightforward method to sign out of Google Drive and some additional options for managing multiple accounts. Whether you choose to sign out or switch accounts, make sure to protect your privacy by keeping your login credentials confidential and always logging out from shared devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Have a great